July 9, 2021, brilliant evening star Venus and Mars are in the west-northwest after sunset. Use a binocular to find the red planet, 2.0 degrees to the upper left of easily observed Venus. Chart caption, 2021, July 9, Venus is overtaking Mars. Venus is 2.0 degrees to the lower right of Mars. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 5:25 a.m. CDT, sunset, 8:27 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Note the sunrise and sunset times for Chicago. The length of day is slowly shortening. In 2 days, the length of daylight is 15 hours. By month's end, daylight loses over 30 more minutes. What is the length of daylight at your location today? This evening, step outside about 45 minutes after sunset to look to the west-northwest. Brilliant Venus is overtaking Mars. The planets are moving eastward along the plane of the solar system. Usually, Venus moves about twice the speed of Mars. This evening, Venus is 2.0 degrees to the lower right of the red planet. In 3 evenings, Venus passes Mars in the sky for the first conjunction in a series of 3 meetings, known as a triple conjunction. The series carries through March 2022. In this brightness of the sky, Venus is easy to see through twilight's hues. A binocular is needed to see Mars and the star Regulus. Venus and Mars easily fit into the same binocular field of view. Regulus is nearly 2 binocular fields to the upper left of Mars. Mars is not as bright as it was earlier in the year. The red planet is farther away and consequently dimmer than when Earth was close to Mars. On July 11 and July 12, the crescent moon joins the planets in the western sky after sunset. After the Venus-Mars conjunction, Venus passes Regulus on July 21. Detailed daily note, 1 hour before sunrise, Saturn is 26.0 degrees up in the south-southwestern sky. It is retrograding in Capricornus, 2.2 degrees to the lower right of Theta Cap. Bright Jupiter is 19.7 degrees to the upper left of Saturn, over 36 degrees above the southern horizon. The Jovian giant is retrograding in Aquarius, 2.8 degrees to the upper left of Iota Acher, 4.2 degrees to the lower left of Theta Acher, and 4.0 degrees to the lower right of Sigma Acher. As the sky brightens, look for Mercury, n equals -0.2, about 6 degrees above the east-northeast skyline. The moon is at its new moon phase at 8:17 p.m. CDT. 1 hour after sunset, Venus is about 6 degrees up in the west-northwest, 2.0 degrees to the lower right of Mars and 14.5 degrees to the lower right of Regulus, that is 12.0 degrees up in the west. As midnight approaches, Saturn is nearly 20 degrees up in the southeast, while Jupiter is over 10 degrees up in the east-southeast.